I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device runs a recent version of iOS or Mac OS, so settings match what I describe. Once done, make sure you have your device passcode and Apple ID at hand. Open Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac, then tap Safari or Screen Time respectively. This first move takes you directly to where Safesearch and content restrictions live. You're doing the initial unlock and navigation, so the deeper changes are available next. You now disable Safesearch by opening Safari settings and selecting search engine options. Toggle off any safe search or secure search features. If screen time controls are active, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, then Web Content, and choose Unrestricted Access or explicitly allow sites you need. Make sure to authenticate with your passcode when prompted. This prevents the restriction from surviving. Once that's set, check in Safari with a fresh search to confirm explicit results appear. You finish by restarting Safari, and the device settings fully apply. Next, test search results and verify Safesearch is no longer filtering content. If results remain restricted, sign out of parental control apps and inspect router-level or DNS filters. These can override device settings. If screen time still blocks changes, reset the screen time passcode through Apple ID recovery or remove the profile in settings. A key troubleshooting tip: check network-level filters before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.